Today we discuss stock, in which we see item and item group. First we see item group. Upon clicking you see a listing form, in which you see already created groups. You can also search group by ID. To create a new group, click on Add Item Group button. Enter item group name. Select Parent Item Group from drop-down list. On which parent group you want to organize this. When you check Is Group, it creates a parent group that can contain additional subgroups. The Item Group Defaults section, you can classify and manage inventory items by setting defaults for price lists, warehouses, cost centers, accounts and suppliers, taxes, and website display. After enter all the details, click on Save button. The item group saves successfully. Now go to the home page of Stock module and click on Item to create new item. Upon clicking on Items, you see a listing form, in which you see already created items. You can also search item by ID, item name, and item group. To create a new items, click on Add Item button. A new form will open. Click on Edit Full Form button. Now you can see complete form. Enter item code. Enter item name. Select item group from the drop-down list, or you can also search from search bar. Select default unit of measurement for transaction. Next, opening stock. You can also enter opening stock, valuation rate and standard selling rate. Next, serial no and batches section. If you maintain this item with batches number, click on Has Batch Number option. Now click on Automatically Create New Batch. If this option enables System Auto Create Batch No while receiving item, you can define batch number serial here, in which prefix batch number generated, ABCD, #####. If series is set and batch no is not mentioned in transactions, then automatic batch number will be created based on this series. If you always want to explicitly mention batch no for this item, leave this blank. If item has shelf life, you can click Has Expiry Date and Shelf Life in Days. If this item maintained in serial number series, just click on Has Serial Number option. If series is set and serial no is not mentioned in transactions, then automatic serial number will be created based on this series. You can also define multiple unit of measurement in this section by clicking Add Row button. Select unit of measurement from the drop-down list. Enter conversion factor. Now there are more tab like Inventory tab, Accounting tab, in which you define default accounts, Purchasing tab, in which you define default purchase unit of measure, lead time in days, minimum order T, supplier details, and foreign trade details. Next, Sales tab, in which you define default sales unit of measure, max discount percent, and customer details. Next, Tax tab, Quality tab, in which you can check option, inspection required before purchase or inspection required before delivery. You can also define quality inspection template as per requirement. Next is Manufacturing tab, in which you can set include item in manufacturing, or supply raw materials for purchase if subcontracted to a vendor. After enter all details, click on Save button.